Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Accord brake pads. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a floor jack, 2 jack stands, and a lug wrench. Safely lift your vehicle using the jack and place the jack stand securely under the frame for support. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Then, loosen the lug nuts and remove the wheel to access the brake assembly. This crucial first step ensures your safety and provides clear access. Now let's remove the old brake pads. You'll typically find 2 caliper guide pin bolts, often 14mm or 17mm, on the back of the caliper. Remove these bolts, then gently slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Use a bungee cord or wire to hang the caliper securely from the suspension, preventing strain on the brake hose. Finally, pull out the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its bore. A C-clamp or a specialized piston compressor tool works perfectly for this. Next, install the new brake pad hardware clips onto the caliper bracket. These ensure smooth pad movement. Finally, carefully slide the new brake pads into the bracket, ensuring they fit snugly and are oriented correctly. To finish up, slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, then reinstall and securely tighten the 2 caliper guide pin bolts. Remount your wheel, hand tighten the lug nuts, and then lower the vehicle. Once on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. Finally, take a cautious test drive to ensure proper brake function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.